Hello guys, today we are going to learning Python date. So date in Python is not a database of its own, but we can import module name date time to work with the date as date object. So we at first we import uh, date time and then with the module that can display in the current dates. So when we import the dates, so in the modules, it will display in the current dates. So it will give us the date in the current now. So let's go to work and then to see if how we can import dates. Okay. So now I already import date time. Then let's go to find date x equal to date time. So then dot again date time. Then I won't say we want it now, right? Yeah, let's say now because we want it to date now. And then let's go to print x. See here 2023 merge for time now where I am here local the 949. So this is the guys in Python we want to get the date. So also I want to show you to get in the year or in the weekly. Let's do it this one. You want to get in the weekly day. We leave this one. Okay, let's go. Let's say print. I want to say x dot year. I want year, and then what? Print print x dot print time. In that just we wanted to get x. So let's go to put percent and then to using a capital. Let's go to print. Today is a Saturday. So 2023 and then Saturday. So we're using in this way to get in the weekly and the year. And also if I put here a small letter, what can it give? See guys here, it will give us a short. It will not give all Saturday, only so we know Saturday, right? So we want to use this way to get the year and then the weekly. Okay, the Python object is how it's good and then how it's easy to use. It's very simple to use and very simple to understanding, and everyone can code. If you have a previous experience with Python, or if you don't have any experience with the technology, you can do it because it's very simple and it is so easy to learning with Python dates. So let's use another create date, and we can use the date time and then with the class instructions of the date time modules. So that class is required in the three parameters to create date, year and month and day. So let's go to do that one in very simple way, and you are going to do it now. Let's get rid of this all. Okay, so here instead of now, so because we already print. Now let's go to right here, the year 2020, three, and then you wanted to get the months three, and then you wanted to get the date four, right? Date. This is the way you want to get print on X. Like this is very, very, very beginners using the date. Right? You see, this is what we print now. So this way you create a date. Yeah, it's so easy to use uh, with the in the method it's called start times, and then also we use parameter for format and to specify for with the return string. So we wanted to get string, so we're using string, and then to get guys we want to get the months with the string. So with the letters to get how we do it that one. So let's go to use and then to get the last to leave is the months here there, and then instead of guys we using x here, we want to use x dot uh for time because we wanted to format. We're using format to specify. We want to specify what we wanted to specify. We wanted to specify a string, then we wanted to use b. We want to use blue everything. Last run. Uh, okay b, but okay I forgot to put yes, guys, you see, it will give us more. So today we are in the morning, so it will give us in this way we wanted to get in the months, and then also, yeah, then so this way, guys, you going to get. And guys, also I want to show you one very uh, uh, that I want to show you. Okay, let's go to show you day of the month. Day of the month, how we can using day of the month. Let's go to get rid out from this one. Then I want to show you something very quick and then easy. Let's see now that one. And then let's go to find yeah. Hmm. See here, there is the force of Mars. You see, okay? So in this way, you get only in the day, the March day of the month. So you going to get uh if you wanted to get the months, how we can do it? We wanted to use before I use it, guys. You know how to get right. Uh, using b the month. Yeah, Mars. B the Mars. If we wanted to use the M what gonna be? M gonna be give us the months, but with the letter. So I with the number Mars. And here we use only Y. So if you use here only Y, it will give you here. Uh, here is the capital letter, guys. And also, I want to show you, what else I want to show you guys. If you only want an hour, the capital. So now we are here 9. So my local time is now is the 9, almost 10, a few minutes. So this is the way you get hour. And that if you only want a minute using M capital, guys, you will get in a minute. So yeah, we are 59 minutes now. If you want to only get the microsecond, so using F to get, so this is the microsecond we have here. And then also what else I want to show you. Okay, let's to use the day number on the year. We're using J small. See here, this is the day number of year. And what else I want to show you also. So I want to show you everything. You will understand the number of year and then month. Okay, one day as the very day of the week. So also, if you want to get the weekly number of year, so using capital W. So also you get, so these are there 9, and then it does go to get the local version where we are. Also, I want to show you X last to run. Yes, guys, this is the way you get local. You see here, and then first March, 4th, 2023. This is the way you get what else we live with. Okay, so also we get the weekly day. We're using U, so 6 day weekly. And if you want to get week number using capital V to get, yeah, 9. So give the guy how to print or how to put the date times or months or weekly or minute or second. So this is the way Python it works. So it's easy for guys to learn it. I hope you understand, or I hope you got the ideas. And then, so guys, don't forget, please subscribe and like this. You will get passive income ideas like this each week. So thank you. Bye for now.